So to start off this makeup tutorial, I am just going to put my hair up in a ponytail just to get it out of my face before doing my makeup. And then I'm going in with a scotch tape just to, put it under my eyes and so I can have that perfect eyeshadow. And then I'm taking off that one because it was completely uneven and I did not want one eye even and the other one uneven. And then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to prime my eyes before doing my eyeshadow, because I think it's just a really good base before starting. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and then going in with the color White Peach and then putting that as a base on my eyes before doing any harsh colors that would be in my crease. And then I'm going in with my blending brush and going with the color Puree and then putting that in my crease. And then I'm going in with the same blending brush and then going in the color Summer Yum and then putting that on top of Puree and then just blending it out. And it's going to create this really cute orangey color, and I just really like how this look turned out. I'm going in with my flat shader brush and going in with the color Peach Pit, and then it's going to put that in the outer V of my eyelid and then kind of bring it up halfway into the crease and then just going to blend it out. And then I'm going in with my Pure Fusion blending brush and then just blending it out just to make sure there are no harsh lines. And then I'm just going in with the color Nectar and I'm just going to put that on the inner half of my eyelid. And then I'm going in with this color I think is called Bellini. If I'm sorry, I think I butchered the name, but I'm just going to put that on the rest of my eyelid. And then I am just blending it out just one more time just to make sure there are no, again, harsh lines. And then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just the brush, because I couldn't find a concealer brush or I was too lazy to get up and get one, so I just used the tip of the concealer and then blending it out with my finger.
Oh, I think your girl's getting sick.
And then I'm going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner and just taking a angled brush and then lining my eyes with it. Nothing too dramatic, just a simple eyeliner. Now I'm just going in with the black eyeliner pencil and just doing that on my tight line, just to give it a little bit more of a dramatic effect.
It tickles.
And then I'm going in with a nude color and putting that on my waterline, just to make my eyes a little bit more open. And then I'm just going to go in and curl my lashes just to make sure they're extra voluptuous when I put mascara on them. Now I'm just going to comb out my lashes, and then I'm going to go in with my Rocket Volume Express mascara because I really love a good volumized mascara, and this is by far the best drugstore one I could find. And and I do about 2 to 3 cuts of this, and it really works really great because I love the dramatic look on eyelashes. And then I'm going in with my Milani Brow Pomade. I don't do nothing special to my brows, just fill in the sparse areas, and I don't make them look really bold or anything. Just, just make them look like eyebrows. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer once again and just fill them, just to take out the harsh lines. And then I'm going to go in with my Photo Ready BB Cream from Revlon and just put that all over my face, and then just going to blend it out with my Beauty Blender.
If you see something in my eye, let's not overanalyze. Don't get too deep with it, baby.
And then going in with the obvious, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and doing the obnoxious thing of putting the huge triangles on my face. I don't even know what the heck I'm looking at. Okay, moving on. And then doing it on the bridge of my nose and also on my forehead. And then covering up this pimple I like to call Steve. And then just blending it out with the Beauty Blender.
Everything I do depends on you.
And then I'm going in with my True Blend bronzer, and I'm just going to put that all over my face because I do like more of a glowy look during the wintertime. Well, more like all the time, because I'm actually really pale, not just on camera, I swear. I'm like Casper the Friendly Ghost, and I'm just going to put that all over my cheeks and then on my forehead, and then going to blend it down to my neck. And it's going to take a little blending brush just to make sure the bronzer is not really harsh. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte's Pro Glow palette, and just going to give my face a little bit of a highlight and just highlight the high points of my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Airspun powder and just put that on my face just to set all the makeup. And then I'm going in with my Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumper, and just going to put that all over my lips just to finish out the look. Okay guys, that is it for today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!